Good morning, peeps. I've just started with a canvas and poured on my base coat. I do have a line running here. It's just a pencil mark all the way up to there, and then this is what I called the wilderness track. It kind of goes out there. So just gonna wipe this on and I hope I remember where I put the pencil marks because they're now gone. I don't remember. Okay. I think this board is about a 60 by 50, so it's quite a large board. Hope I can do it justice and not destroy the board. I'm a newbie, so you guys must obviously expect that I'm going to make mistakes and errors, and learning how thick to make the paint and how thin to make the paint and everything. So yeah, that's how it goes. I want to just close this paint up before I knock it over, and then I'm going to, there goes my lid. This is old, so it will run down, so I can just wipe it in onto the sides. Now let's see, it's coming down. It's a lot of board to cover. Okay, I'm going to have to imagine where my lines are so that I can pour. I can actually see a bit of the line here, so that makes it a little easier. There we go. And there was a bushveld tour up there. Beautiful colors, wow. There was a lot of purple there, so I'm just going to add a little bit at the bottom here. There we go. Gold. Right. don't want the paint to be restricted in any way, so I'm kind of adding in pieces where the paint might want to in fact go. Bit more. I don't do well with a dry canvas. I find that the paint just simply stops, and then it doesn't go any further. So I'm just doing this. Don't mess the board up like I just did there, but anyway, that'll blow off. Start with my faithful hairdryer. Maybe that way. No, just gonna do. See, not concentrating. Just gonna slide it and then push the paint over. Here as well. Okay, let's go. Okay, peeps, well, there is a lot of color here, but there is some negative space there, here. So this has been blown out, I suppose, as I intended, and this has gone that way on its tour. I see there's a lot of cells forming. I do think there's a lot of paint under here, but it's right in the middle, so you can't really blow it out unless you blow it in here. Let's have a look. Oh, a lot more color has come out there, I must say. Let's have a look here. Paint with my hands a bit. And there seems to be quite a bit of colour here as well that hasn't blown out. it's still a busy board. So I will have to get a stick to get the scrapings off. In the meantime, I'll just use my spatula, but I need a stick. So peeps, you have seen this video to this point. I'm going to turn you off.